Power BI tips and tricks. Use bookmarks to save report views. Bookmarks allow you to save specific views of your report, such as a filter selection or a zoom level, for later use. This can save you time and make it easier to share specific insights with others. Use drill-through for interactivity. Drill-through allows users to click on a data point in a visualization and see more detailed information about it in a separate page or report. This can make your reports more interactive and engaging. Use slicers to filter data. Slicers are visual controls that allow users to filter data in a report. You can add slicers to a report to allow users to quickly and easily filter data without having to navigate to a separate page or report. Use conditional formatting to highlight important data. Conditional formatting allows you to apply different formatting styles to data based on certain conditions, such as values that are above or below a certain threshold. This can help you draw attention to important data points and make your reports more visually appealing. Use calculated columns and measures. Calculated columns and measures allow you to create new data fields in your report based on existing data. This can help you perform more advanced analysis and create more detailed visualizations. Use custom visuals. Power BI comes with a range of built-in visualizations, but there are also many custom visuals available in the Power BI marketplace. These can add new functionality and make your reports more engaging. Use the Power Query Editor to clean and transform data. The Power Query Editor allows you to clean and transform your data before it is loaded into Power BI. This can save you time and ensure that your data is in the right format for analysis. Use the Performance Analyzer to optimize report performance. The Performance Analyzer allows you to identify bottlenecks in your report and optimize performance. This can help you create reports that load quickly and provide a smooth user experience. Hope these tips help you create great Power BI reports. Thanks for watching.